To keep your strawberries fresher until you're ready to use them, as soon as you purchase them and get home, open up the container and place them. Do not wash them yet. Place them in airtight containers. In doing this, they stay fresher longer. And then when you are ready to use them for what purpose you want to use them for, then you wash them in lemon water. Dry them on paper towels and then proceed with whatever you're going to do with them. I fill up these mason jars with the strawberries. Make sure that when you place them in here, that none of them have soft spots or are starting to rot. Fill them to the top. Put top on tight. Store them in the coldest spot in your refrigerator. And when you're ready, make sure you wash them, dry them, and then use them. Thank you. I only needed to use 2 quart-size mason jars with just a few left over. I'll wash these and have them for breakfast. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day.